Hey everybody, welcome to Imperial Gardens single box break number 873 of 13-14 Upper Deck of the Cup. The last and in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on June 4th at 7:07 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Current date and time. Fresh, and it's currently Friday, June 5th at 12:14 a.m. Eastern Time. We are broadcasting live on Breakers TV here. And also for the people who have yet to register on our Breakers page, really appreciate if you did. Just register account there and kind of scroll down and see everything that's in the queue, which we'll have to start posting some more very shortly. So 873. And this box 5 of 6 from our case. So this was actually the 5th box serial number. We did handwrite number 873 below in break 869. So it was actually, this is box 2 of the case, but we did write it for 873 in the video. And the serial number that was shown was NE221328915. Sealed. And sealed. And so we'll go rest of our shrink wrap. And we'll get started. And sealed. And so I'll turn you around here. I'll show you the serial number one more time and we'll get started. So good luck, everybody. 8915. So here we go. So last box of the case tomorrow, and we got Quad UD Ultimate again for tomorrow night. Definitely check out for that. There we go. Hopefully we can get ourselves another shield for somebody tonight. One of our mixer breaks, so I've hit a dual shield. Right on YouTube here too, if you guys want to take a peek. Oh, sorry. Okay. Here we go, everybody. So we start the break off with a base card going out to the Rangers of Rick Nash out of 249. Rick Nash, 98 of 249. Second hit, nice. Going out to the Edmonton Oilers, we have a short print rookie patch auto of Nail Yakupov, number 86 of 99. Going out to Edmonton, so whoever has the Oilers, if you do want tracking on it, just let me know and we'll make arrangements on it. Congratulations to Edmonton, Nail Yakupov. Our next one, we have a gold auto rookie patch of Corey Conacher, number 70 of 89, going out to the Senators. 3 colors. Corey Conacher, 70 of 89. Our next one, we have a signature renditions of Gilbert Perreault, number 4 of 35, going out to the Sabres. Gilbert. Our next one, we have a Trios jersey going out to the Pittsburgh Penguins. We got Evgeny Malkin, Marc-Andre Fleury, and Chris Letang, 19 of 25, going out to Pittsburgh. And finish the break off with a auto rookie going out to the Oilers, Martin Morenson, number 101 of 249 on this one. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So congratulations, Edmonton, on the nice Nail Yakupov. Definitely hoping he's going to have himself a fantastic third year with the Oilers. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So we got box 6 out of the case tomorrow, and Quad UD Ultimate, and new case of Cup starting right after that.